ELMETRO presents ELMETRO-SPT bench used to verify, calibrate, and repair temperature measurement instruments. ELMETRO is a leader of the instrumentation and metrology equipment market. The company has been working in Chelyabinsk since 2008. Development and production of verification benches and equipment is one of the company's priority activities. To date, we have supplied more than 300 of such equipment pieces that are operated by our customers. ELMETRO-SPT bench is designed to automate the verification, calibration, and repair processes for temperature measurement instruments with a range from -180 to +1,600 degrees Celsius. These are resistive temperature detectors, thermoelectric converters, bimetallic thermometers, and others. It makes the verification operator's performance more efficient, reliable, safe, and smooth. The bench consists of standard equipment and the operator workplace that includes a superstructure over the working table and additional laboratory furniture for additional equipment. The workplace ergonomics ensures maximum operator efficiency. ELMETRO experts analyze the customer's measurement instruments and the terms of reference. The optimal configuration selected as a result accounts for all the parameters of the created metrology lab. The workplace is made of a special aluminum profile that improves the structure's stiffness. The table is equipped with adjustable supports. A socket block is built into the frame to connect the devices to the 220-volt AC source. The table has an anti-static worktop. A grounding screw is placed on one of the supports. A lighting lamp is included into the supplied package. The work table superstructure is equipped with devices of various functions and designs. For example, laboratory power supply blocks, modules for controlling and monitoring the bench power supply, and protection from unauthorized access, as well as multi-channel high-precision multimeters, etc. All control elements are placed conveniently for the operator. Adaptable design allows equipping the ELMETRO-SPT superstructure not only with standard modules, but also with blocks specially created for implementing specific tasks a customer might require. The bench communicates with the computer via pre-installed special ELMETRO Kelvin software. It allows verifying the measurement instruments in automated mode, filing archives, and creating protocols for the performed works. It is possible to change the layout of the protocols as per the requirements of the customer. Additional laboratory furniture is used to arrange temperature measurement tools, thermostats, reference thermometers, and other auxiliary equipment required. For example, exhaust hoods. The workplace can be equipped with a tube-type horizontal tube furnace having low thermal lag and its control block. It is placed on a metal tabletop. The main bench element is our own ELMETRO Kelvin multi-channel high-precision multimeter. This device measures signals from reference thermometers and verified temperature measurement instruments, thermocouples, thermoelectric converters, sensors with outputs ranging from 0 to 5 mA and from 4 to 20 mA. 8 independent channels allow verifying several instruments automatically and simultaneously. Upon request, ELMETRO-SPT bench is completed with additional metrology equipment for verifying secondary instruments. ELMETRO-SPT bench is the optimal solution for verifying temperature measurement instruments applied in different industries. It allows verifying a wide range of instruments within the shortest possible time at the highest quality. ELMETRO-SPT bench for verification, calibration, and repairing of temperature measurement instruments. ELMETRO, energy of innovation.